Yamaha Zuma 50.
There was a rock in one of the engines.
Ooh.
How does that have no valve stem and it still has air? Oh, okay.
This
Just
is
got
the
a really stiff tire.
It's actually a pump to pump up other tires.
Yeah.
You kick it. I can kick it.
If I kick you and you stand, are you a kickstand?
No, I'm a kickstander.
I'm not a fan of the banana.
I love banana.
Somebody did a good job on that airbox install. Paul doesn't lie.
You're not gonna lie about it on camera, but you lied about it to him.
No.
I said I'm
sold it
not
as
sure
is?
what happened to it. Yeah, I sold it to him as is.
You ready to watch us do the old choke and start?
Oh, choke it, Paul. Choke it good.
I've got the choke on.
could-
Hey, Paul.
Something like that.
What do we got here?
Ooh, we have a nice original condition 1989 Yamaha Zuma 50.
And why is it here?
Cause well, the guy originally wanted 12-inch wheels and a bunch of stuff, but we're waiting for the wheels to come, and he just like he dropped them off here, and then they were just kind of sitting in the corner over there. And he's like, hey, can you guys get them running too before I put these fancy wheels on them? So this is the first one of two. It's probably the one in more rough condition, I would say.
Beach bikes. They're like
Beach
his
bikes, yeah. Nice.
family's beach bikes have been sitting
Or
at the
some
coast.
this family he's close with or something. he
It's
was
his
saying.
family, I think, isn't it?
No, he said it wasn't.
There was a rock in one of the engines. I found a rock
It was that one.
in the crankcase.
Uh-huh.
Cylinders are pretty rough. Dust said there was sand in the CVT. So what did he
They're
get?
just the basics. Willow-C sport cylinder. Yasuni R. Stock carb on that one, original one. This one just got a Delorto 12. So stock 1990 plus carb.
Okay.
Yasuni R.
CVT stuff. Stock clutch.
Top form is this kit.
Yep.
Do we just clutch springs in a Contra or stock Contra?
White Contra.
Okay. As you can see, his wheels, the amount of rust on these two bikes.
No valve stems at all.
Really, really bad. Gonna get him running.
Ooh,
So
that's not normal.
yeah, no, she's been used.
Seen some stuff.
Yeah, so Paul got this one started, or heat cycle it and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Shift over to that one, get that one at least running, that way we can call them and say, hey, both these bikes run. And it may be a month before the wheels show up, so we're just kind of doing everything that we can until the wheels show up.
This one doesn't even roll.
No. Oh, the front, is the front locked up?
Ooh.
How does that have no valve stem and it still has air? Oh, okay.
This
Just
is
got a
the,
really stiff tire.
It's actually a pump to pump up other tires.
Yeah, so you can use this to pump up your other Zuma tires, and or
Ooh, we should show them the
it's like an
kickstand.
airbag system to lower
Check out
it.
this kickstand.
Where's the kickstand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a center stand, but yeah.
Yeah.
You kick it. I can kick it.
If I kick you and you stand, are you a kickstand?
No, I'm a kickstander.
So I don't know if is he gonna do a seat and stuff? I don't know what he's gonna do with
Probably
these,
seat
but-
cover. That one's a double.
So he'll get the NCY forks, naked bars. I think he's doing vapors.
Is he doing naked? Yeah, he
Yeah,
is.
vapors, naked bars, the clamp,
12.
disc brakes, 12s, new tires. It's kind of like not a crazy high-end build or anything, but
This is like more of a restoration,
yeah,
resto mod on this one.
yeah.
Both of them.
Oh, they're both getting same cylinders.
Same
everything.
Same exact-
everything.
yeah.
Same
Okay.
wheels, same front ends.
I thought one was going more wild than the other.
No,
One's getting knobbies, one's not. I think this one should get the knobbies.
one's getting like high net or not. I know it's
Power Pierce.
power pierce. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Fire up, Paul.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, check out this fresh throttle cable.
Fresh throttle cable. Where'd you get that?
Scooterswapshop.
Where'd you buy it? Well, you didn't buy it.
I didn't buy it.
Yeah.
So we offer them in colors now?
Red and blue and yellow. Did we get yellow?
I think yellow's back ordered.
Oh yeah, red and
Is it
blue
like
for now.
neon yellow or is it yellow yellow?
It's banana yellow.
Oh, bummer. I'm not a fan of the banana.
I love banana
I
throttle
like the
cables.
neon though. Oh, almost first kick.
Ooh, get rid of the gas.
You got the choke on.
Oh yeah, may need to be off. It's tuned so well. Just,
Oh yeah, somebody did a good job on that airbox install. That's good.
can't take it off the stand.
It's got an airbox?
Hell yeah.
Factory one?
Yeah, you can't ride it unless you want to.
You can ride it on the dyno.
Literally the first start.
You did like how many years?
No, this one ran 2 years ago.
That one he said he's never seen run, right? 10 years. Ooh, that's some stinky old oil.
Yeah,
Oh.
maybe we'll suck this out. It's on premix with the pump.
You gonna suck it out?
Oh,
Paul's
if I can
actually-
find that video, I'll put it in right now.
What are you doing, Paul?
Siphoning gas.
Why?
Put it in this little tank.
What are you doing with that little tank? Let me see. What are you doing with it?
Putting it on here. It's a reserve.
Oh, dang. Where'd
Yeah.
you get that?
Okay, so I'm gonna suck the gas out and into this.
With your mouth?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we don't have a sucker here.
Okay.
Tried to get you to hire one, but
Okay.
yeah. So we're just gonna suck it out.
But why? Oh, to put
To put
gas
it in
into
this.
Okay, okay, let me see.
Put gas into this, and
Okay.
then we're gonna fill this back up. And then every time I need to use this, I'll just fill the tank and then suck a little out.
But what's the purpose? Why are you doing this?
So when I run out of gas,
You'll have like an extra. That's like 2.
that's a mile.
That's probably actually more than that. It's probably a
Mile
couple
or two,
miles.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, so let me see this. Let me see.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Paul! Wait, are you kidding me? Did you know that was gonna happen?
I got it.
How are you gonna shut it off?
Burns a little.
Paul's actually the head of our oil sucking division. oh, the time with the gas?
Yeah.
Yeah, he saw it. Yeah, that's what they do in the movies. They suck gas out of a gas can. But Paul like literally drank it because he didn't know. He was like, yeah, that's how they did it in the movies. Oh man, that is.
Well, yeah, that smells horrible.
Okay, wow, that's really gross.
Stand is seized up.
Wow, that smells bad.
So you built this whole thing yourself?
The whole what?
The whole motor? Dang.
The two of them.
You're like Scooter, tuner, I don't know. I got nothing. What's that contraption you got there, Paul?
The sucker.
Oh.
Clean out Brandon's
Sucking
ears.
all the fuel out or what?
Yeah, it cleans ears too.
Did you already get it all out or what?
Yeah.
We all do all the work down here while you guys talk about sucking fuel. Ooh, that stuff stinks.
What?
That gas. You gonna put that in your Camry? You smell that, Dustin?
I'm putting a battery over here so it smells like metal fart.
Custom stripped airbox.
Nice and sulfury, yeah. We're bringing these 2 bikes back to life, aren't we, Paul?
Yeah.
Tell me about your email. Brandon, you want to tell me about his email?
Well, he made somebody mad.
I made somebody mad, and I'm not giving them any attention, so they just leave me alone.
What was the email, Brandon?
Call him on their shit, Paul.
Yeah, I'm gonna call them on their shit if they respond to my email asking.
You lied to me.
I lied, and I'm an abusive person, I guess.
They're gonna know the truth about you. I'm gonna expose you. They'll believe me and not you.
Yeah, I'm not sure what it's about. Yeah, they need to come here and we need to settle our differences. And I know they're gonna watch this.
Show up like a man.
Show up like a man. Or
Do you think they're here in
Here.
Oregon, or do you think they're from out of state?
I honestly have no clue. I think probably not Oregon, probably somewhere north.
North.
like Washington.
Why is that where your enemies are in
Oh,
Washington?
I've got some enemies in
He
Washington.
called me.
They're watching this too. You kids.
Can you split my engine for me? Oh wait.
No,
Let me just not take any of the bike apart.
Let's not.
Greasy.
Yeah. Well, no. They're all really just people. Like, I mean,
Hey,
they're just
Are you sure you're just not creating more enemies right now?
Oh, 100%. But they don't like me to begin with, so.
You're making my job really difficult right now, bro.
Oh, Paul's fired up today.
Okay.
Let's start a bike.
So-
Maybe that'll make you feel better.
So the first encounter with her kid was.
Dustin's from. Well, no, he's not.
No,
He
he's
lives
not.
in-
No, he's not.
Yeah,
He
Dustin
lives in
hates,
Vancouver.
hates Vancouver.
From
I like.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I almost want to get one of these stickers says for normal. Do they make those? That's good.
No, so I sold this free scooter I got that I shoved in the trunk of my car to some kid in Vancouver. I made him pay me by Cash App, and he didn't look at it first. And he accused me of taking this little piece off the back. That's really valuable, actually, on those bikes. But it was a $300 bike to begin with. So it's like, whatever. He got really upset about it, so I sent him $40 back, which is what I sold that piece for, that he accused me of taking off.
You
I did.
take it
Oh,
off.
100%. I'm not going to lie about it.
Paul doesn't lie.
You're not gonna lie about it on camera, but you lied about it to him.
No.
No, I said I'm
sold
I'm
it
not
as
sure
is?
what happened to it. Yeah, I sold it to him as is. It's a so this scooter.
I didn't lie to him. I told him I didn't know what happened to it, even though I sold it.
Way to get a bad name in scooter.
You're just digging yourself a hole here, bro.
Okay, moving on. He was upset, so I made it right with him. I sent him the money that part was valued at.
Okay.
But he was still mad about it and whatever.
Even after you gave him money.
Yeah.
What do you think of this email, Brandon?
I mean, Paul is so nice to everybody. I try to get him to be angry sometimes. Actually, the other day he was in a really bad mood and told me to call UPS, remember? He's like, yeah, I'm going to yell at somebody because they deserved it. He was in a bad mood. So anytime he's in a bad mood, I'm going to harness his anger and point it in a direction that will be beneficial to the company, like UPS. Yeah. So now we're going to start this beach relic. You going to start it? You got a spark plug in here? You want me to choke it and you to start it. You ready to watch us do the old choke and start?
Yeah.
You ready?
Oh, choke it, Paul. Choke it good.
Paul knows. You want to fill him in about that, Paul? You
No,
probably shouldn't.
it's not PG-13. We'll
No.
tell Patrick later.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let everyone else
Off
be
camera.
curious.
You ready?
Can email Paul and ask
You got
him about
the key
choking.
on?
Not sure if this is the throttle or the choke, but we'll find out.
Who's got your compressing? Give it some throttle. We don't even know what's. Here's a choke. There's a choke.
That was a choke.
What's going on here?
So this is choke, and that's throttle.
You sure?
This is throttle.
That's the throttle. You ready?
Yeah.
Can you pull the choke too or no? I need to pull the choke. Here, I'll pull the choke with this. This is I've got the choke
We
on.
could
Whoa. The metal. You know exactly what happened, right?
could hook the battery up. And
Forget that battery. I didn't even want to start.
coil plugged in.
Are you trying to say this is a bag bike because it has a little bit of rust on it? Because I know somebody who has a vehicle that is covered in rust that thinks it's the greatest thing since sliced bread.
Okay, well mine also runs.
I'm sure this will run as soon as it actually has fuel to the carburetor.
Okay. Yeah. If I
There
were
was
to-
a freaking rock in the motor,
in the other
Paul.
one. Stock carb on that one. This one we just did 12. Disc brakes up front on this one. This one's getting a knobby Shinkos.
It's more of the street.
Street Zuma.
And these things rip pretty good. You already got them running and everything, right?
They run all right.
Yeah, this is super JDM.
I have my own version of it. Someone's gonna come in the comments and be like, that's not how it went.
A little bit of history for the viewers, and we're not sure if the history's right, but at least we gave you a history story, right?